Today, Nick and I used this grill. Make sure to check it out. What are we doing, Nick? Yeah.
Yep. We're cooking meat.
Cooking meat.
Cooking meat. Cooking
Whose
my
meat?
meat. Cooking your meat.
Both of our meats.
Both of our meats
At the same
together
time.
at the same time.
Look at this.
Look at our meat. Guess which one's mine. Guess which one's Chris's.
Which one's mine? Which one is his? We got more meat.
Got more meat.
That's vegetables.
That's a vegetable.
That's the corn.
You have to eat the corn on the cob.
And then watch the internal temperature of the meat.
Is 651.
Oh. What does that say? 170 right there. 163.
If you turn it upside down, it says 391.
And then 160, 173, 175, 176, 77, 178.
It's unclear.
It's unclear. Someone actually put my meat thermometer in the sink the other day. So we're going to take a guess about this meat.
Season those vegetables for me?
Absolutely. Here we go.
In case you were wondering what beauty looks like.
Jeez.
This guy's probably like, oh my God. What the heck? Chris's neighbors are out. Is this chicken done yet, Chris?
Probably. It's been on for about 45 minutes.
Can I put it on the grate?
Okay.
You want me to?
Don't.
Don't.
Yeah, put it on. Nick, you excited to eat?
I'm stoked.
Hoped.
I'm ready.
Well, we'll let you know how it goes. But next time you decide to barbecue,
Make it tasty.
deuces.